how many more verbs do we got? We got open, pour. I guess I could just... What do we got? Just tell me all of the commands. Row the boat, wave the fan. We could just throw this in main if these are just kind of... Because you can only really pour the... Well, I guess you could pour the bottle. At this point, I'm just kind of tired. I don't want to make different functions for all of these. We got dig, wave, Leah, leave or exit the boat, I guess. Fig, fight. Wea, where. Okay. Let's maybe just make a function for special shit. Void handle other commands. Probably pass the same stuff in. Else if verb is pour, or verb is po, or verb is cly, or, well, let's see, climb, or verb is cly. If verb is jump, or verb is jum, or verb is dig, or verb is row, verb is wave, or verb is wav, verb is leave, or verb is lia, or verb is fight, or verb is fig, or verb is where, or verb is wea. Then we're gonna just call our special function handle other commands, because I am lazy. Pass all that stuff in. And I'm gonna copy this over here too, because we're gonna have all these different commands in one spot. So for each of these, we need if blah, or I guess else if. And this part. Okay. Pour. And we'll do our get our handle object. What object are we working with? You know, and since we're doing this check, let's say add another special function, since all of these are using that sort of thing. Let's do bool is carrying item, int object in room, and int item index. Return object in room at that index is -1. Look, we simplified it. We can also do is item. Let's do is item in inventory inventory, or is item in room, same sort of thing. Return object in room for that item index is greater than 0 and has to be less than equal to 127. Oh wait, I need the current room. Int current room. That's what we need. Okay. So change these to if item is in inventory or item is in room. So that we gotta pass in objects in room, object in room, and item index. So handle object or object in room, handle object in current room, cleaning up the stuff. We can maybe do this early and say if it is not in the inventory and it is not in the room, we can say that isn't here. I know we're going a little off script. We can do that for now at least, I think. Okay, so oop, I missed oop. So up here, open if handle object is the box. Number 2, then we can print something fell out. Object 6 is, oh, okay, cool. So we can say object in room, item number 6, which I assume is 7, because a barrel's not going to fall out of the box. Item number 7 is now in room number 6. No, the current room, whatever that is. So you open the box, it's wherever you dropped it. That's cool. If it's the cabinet, else if handle object is cabinet number 3, then we see out there's something inside, and we set object 3, or probably salt shaker, to the current room, or 2 I guess technically, because since you can't carry the cabinet with you, it'll just be in room 2. Else if handle object is case, a glass case. Ooh, then we have the case is electrified? What is GF? GF, like maybe wearing gloves? Is the wear a thing? Oh my gosh, this is taking a long time. Well, I guess it can be done in chunks. Sorry, just listening to music. I'm just thinking about my life decisions. No, I'm just thinking about maybe taking a break because it's been a little while. And then actually also thinking about how I'll probably have to split up this video because it's taking a little while. I don't know if anyone wants to watch a 2-hour let's port a text adventure over. So, well, okay, we're gonna change that. Okay, if handle object is 2, if item, is it object in room? What did I name my functions already? Item is item in inventory is item in room. Object in room, handle object, or is item in room, object in room, handle object, and the current room. Otherwise, there's no cabinet here. Number 3 is box, right? No, number 3 is cabinet. What did I do? I did it backwards? No. Open box. Oh, there's no box here. Okay, if it's a cabinet, then if we are in the room with the cabinet, because we aren't going to carry the cabinet, then this will happen. Otherwise, we'll say there's no cabinet here. This is a case, glass case. If is item in room, object in room, handle object, current room. You know, I could also, here, we'll also say bool object in room is equal to, oh wait, that's the name of a variable. Is object in room equal to this, so we don't have to call it every time. Bool is item in inventory. We'll call this, so we don't have to call it every time. Then we can say is object in room or is item in inventory. Change this to is item in room. If one of those are true, or if the item is in the room. If the item is in the room. That way I don't have to remember the parameter, the arguments every time. Well, there we go. Okay. Let's finish this off. Well, that's a lot of stuff to finish off, but what I was wondering was this glass case thing. So if it's in the room, well, okay. So there's like a where, right? Wave, fig, where? Okay, it's just like glove flag, I guess. So we have to think about how we want to flag that. Like we could set a certain number to mean you're wearing it. I guess we could do that to be kind of consistent with the style of the game. I don't know how many other flags there are, so I don't know. Let's just do enum object flags, and we'll do wearing gloves is gonna be 1,000. Something like that. So, if you are... Yeah, we can collapse so much of this stuff. Handle special commands. So we could do this one and set that. Set, like, the current room as the wearing gloves thing, I guess. If the item is in the room, otherwise, there's no case here. Otherwise, if it's here, it will say the case is electrified. But if... Oh wait, no. I'm thinking... Because if I set the gloves thing to room to that thingy, okay. I can't have it be in your inventory and also as wearing at the same time, and then I'd have to add more stuff. What kind of extra flags? This just makes me want to refactor it so much. So much. Okay, how about we'll deal with this next time. I'll just split this up to be its own episode. Glove flag! Oh no! I'm probably gonna have to make just like maybe a map of booleans. Or an array of booleans to say that you did something or not. But I'll think about it and we'll deal with it next time.